The right variable frequency drive, VFD, can transform a motor-driven system by improving speed control, torque management, energy efficiency, and protection for spindle and CNC applications. This review compares 5 220-volt class VFDs spanning budget to premium tiers, focusing on features that matter in real-world use, VF and vector control capabilities.
Product number 1. Malum VFD 220-volt, 2.2 kilowatt, 3 HP, 9.6A, 220-volt single. This Malum 2.2 kilowatt VFD handles 220-volt input with optional single or three-phase input and delivers three-phase output up to 3000 Hz, which is generous for spindle or fast CNC feed applications. It includes a rich set of digital and analog terminals, RS-485 communication, and an emphasis on anti-jamming robustness. The compact form factor, 3.5 by 4.5 by 6.5 inches, approximately 2.6 pounds, offers flexibility for limited shop installs. The model notes warn that external resistors are not supported and caution about humid environments, highlighting a need for careful mounting and protection in dusty or mist-prone spaces. Display is user-friendly with a detachable remote-capable design, and it is clearly aimed at hobbyist to small shop CNC and motor control tasks. Performance-wise, the 2.2 kilowatt rating provides a solid baseline for small CNC spindles or pump or compressor drives. The device supports a broad frequency range, 0 to 3000 Hz, which can enable very fine speed control and rapid acceleration and deceleration. The RS-485 Modbus interface allows integration with PLCs or PC-based control systems. However, the lower-end pricing implies constraints in advanced tuning. Expect standard V/F control with reasonable torque curves, with potential limitations in high-load, heavy spindle scenarios where a larger unit or a dedicated closed-loop vector drive may perform more consistently. Practical use favors light to moderate loads and systems where noise and EMI handling are critical but within the device's protective capabilities. Product number 2. QNK 7.5 kilowatt VFD, 10 horsepower, 220 volt AC, 33A VFD converter, single to three-phase inverter, variable frequency drive for CNC spindle motor speed controller. The QNK 7.5 kilowatt VFD targets higher power CNC and spindle applications, delivering three-phase output from a 220 volt input with a substantial current rating, up to 33 amps, and a maximum output frequency of 2000 Hz. It emphasizes low noise operation, EMI considerations, and multiple control modes, V over F and vector with PID tuning. The unit includes RS-485 for Modbus-style communication and claims robust protection schemes for overload, overvoltage, undervoltage, stall, and heat. Its physical footprint is compact for a 7.5 kilowatt device, and the documentation underscores suitability for pumps, compressors, grinders, and CNC components. In practice, the 7.5 kilowatt rating makes this a strong candidate for mid to large CNC rabbers or spindles, where stable torque at mid-range speeds matters. The device supports external resistor usage and provides detailed safeguarding against common faults, which helps in demanding setups. However, the product page does not list a formal IP rating or explicit cooling method. Ensuring adequate ventilation is essential in workshop environments. Product number 3. Ratem Motor Variable Frequency Drive 2.2 kilowatt 220 volt VFD Drive Inverter Frequency Converter Single Phase Input. This Ratem Motor 2.2 kilowatt drive mirrors many characteristics of the Malum unit, but adds robust multifunction input-output wiring with 6 inputs and 5 outputs. It supports 1 or 3-phase input, 3-phase output up to 400 Hz, RS-485, and a detailed display for real-time monitoring.
The inclusion of an extension cable option suggests ease of integration into existing spindle setups. It emphasizes protection features like overload, anti-stall, over or under voltage, and automatic recovery after disturbances, making it a practical option for small shops that need reliable motor control with decent fault handling. From a performance perspective, the 2.2 kilowatt rating is similar to Malum, but the enhanced I/O flexibility may simplify integration with PLCs or CNC controllers. The catalog highlights a fairly comprehensive set of protections and programmable controls, including torque modulation and speed ramp control. Ideal use cases include spindle motors and water or air-cooled systems, where a compact, cost-conscious VFD can be placed near the machine. Real-world deployment should still consider environmental sealing and proper heat dissipation to maintain reliability at higher duty cycles. Product number 4. Huanyang GT Series 11 kilowatt drive. The 11 kilowatt drive represents a premium option in this selection, providing vector control capabilities for 3-phase output from a single or 3-phase 220-volt input. It supports MC, motor control, vector operation, RS-485, remote potentiometer control, and remote start-stop. This model is CE listed and features a relatively sturdy form factor, 8.5 by 9.84 by 11.81 inches, with a weight of around 16 pounds. The GT series branding emphasizes reliability and robust performance, with higher power density and improved EMI behavior, making it well-suited for demanding spindle or pump-driven tasks in serial production or shop floor automation. Performance-wise, the GT Series 11 kilowatt unit benefits from vector control for better torque and speed regulation under load, which translates to smoother spindle operation and more precise RPM control, especially at low speeds or during aggressive acceleration. The included RS-485 and remote control options support more integrated automation setups. The price point reflects the premium features and higher build quality, but it may be overkill for smaller hobbyist machines. Installation should consider proper enclosure, ambient temperature, and adequate ventilation given the higher heat dissipation at 11 kilowatts. Product number 5. Rat Motor Variable Frequency Drive 220V 3 kilowatt 4 HP VFD Inverter Frequency Converter 400 Hz 13 amp single phase input. This 3 kilowatt Rat Motor drive sits between Malum's budget tier and the higher end options, offering 3 kilowatt input, 220V, and 3-phase output up to 400 Hz. It emphasizes straightforward control with RS-485 support and a robust 6-input, 5-output arrangement similar to the 2.2 kilowatt variant. The inclusion of a dedicated motor speed control focus for CNC water or air-cooled spindles makes it a practical mid-range solution for small to mid-sized CNC machines. In operation, the 3 kilowatt rating provides a comfortable margin for 2 to 3 kilowatt spindle motors in compact CNC routers. The device shares the same protection and general control approach as other Ratmoto products, including overload protection and anti-stall features. Expect reliable performance under typical shop loads, with a caveat to ensure adequate cooling and proper vertical mounting to maximize heat dissipation in longer runs or aggressive ramping scenarios.